We'll guide you through how to fix your Android phone not ringing for incoming calls. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you want to go and drag down from the top of your phone like so, and then go and open up the tray by dragging down again. What you want to do is make sure your phone is not set to mute. As you can see, mine is. So you can go and click there, and you can click it once, it's now on sound, or vibrate, or be back to mute. So make sure it's on sound. If you're struggling to find that, you can go and open up your settings like so, then click on sounds and vibration, and you can go and choose at the top here. So I want it to be on sound. The next reason why it may not be ringing is because you've got do not disturb turned on. So go into notifications in your settings, and then do not disturb at the bottom here, and make sure it's switched off. If it's switched on, then this means all calls will be muted as well as other notifications. So make sure that it's switched off. Now hopefully your calls should now be coming through. If they still aren't though, then what I'd recommend you do is you perform a restart of your phone, just in case there's some sort of software problem. To do that, you can just drag down and then drag down again to expand the tray, and you can go to the top right and click on the power button, and then click on restart and restart again, and your phone will restart. Hopefully your calls are now ringing. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.